Let's talk all about the amazing capability of inserting audio into Google Slides. First, you might be wondering, how does this work? In Google Slides, you will go to Insert, and then click Audio, and select your audio files in the drive. You can find more audio settings by clicking Format Options in the toolbar. You can also set playback options, volume, and looping, or change the audio icon within that same frame. What can I use it for in the classroom? Here are 10 simple ideas. Number 1, book reviews. Students love to share their thoughts on the books they are reading. Inserting audio reviews into a slides presentation allows students the ability to browse through the books their peers are reading and hearing their real reactions and feelings towards the books. Number 2, evidence of collaboration. Collaboration doesn't happen when we magically put students into groups. There must be clear guidelines and modeling to help students learn how to collaborate as they work towards a common goal. Students can record audio of their conversations during face-to-face collaboration as evidence. Number 3, interactive tutorials. Providing students with explicit directions for online learning activities is very important. Teaching the lower grades, I find that I need to give a lengthy discussion and modeling of activities often. Adding audio helps explain the steps for students, and they can refer to it as many times as they need. Number 4, using historical audio or direct quotes. There are many historical moments captured on audio that students can use in their Google Slides projects. For example, MLK's famous "I Have a Dream" speech is in the public domain. You could add snippets of this along with pictures to a presentation. Number 5, ask questions. Audio allows us to have conversations about learning. Using audio to ask questions can help students clarify goals or improve their practice. Of course, these could be questions from teachers or from peers. Number 6, oral reading practice. Reading aloud is an excellent practice for students to improve their fluency and oral reading skills. Now add that as the audio in a slide project for easy reviewing and sharing. Number 7, explain answers. When students answer questions and problems, we often need them to elaborate on how they found that answer, particularly in math. Consider using audio as a medium for students to explain. Number 8, sentence stems. Sentence stems help guide students in crafting responses. Sentence stems can help students respond to a text, give feedback, activate prior knowledge, seek clarification, or reinforce academic vocabulary. Give students a stem via audio and ask them to respond with audio and insert it in the slide. Number 9, in the pre-writing process. There are many pre-writing exercises to help students get their ideas flowing and organize their writing. For example, brainstorming. Students can record their thoughts and ideas and use this as a guide for their first draft. And finally, number 10, to simulate podcasting. Podcasting is a fantastic way for students to create and demonstrate their learning. Students can record audio podcast projects and include it in Google Slides. For example, students could host an interview with a character that could be played by another student from a novel.